kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo cho Kisii nigo bagotoka angene dukene ne obonchoreria ya Shivling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Mabwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asama gacho a Balfour House, Kimathi Street, Barabare na Java House. Asamanke onyeko ganetie konyora obokoreri asomo cho Kisii bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501. Noria otageto obokoreri imeyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333. Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote.
Chitariki inyomwanchu morigereria chyomotenyo sitariki sato chyomotenyi o kane litukolia Jumatano chingaki umugavana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza nyarakobaga konganya bene na gosoa asekiama kilia gia UDA nyoranga Kawira Mwangaza niganya tukobaga kubwa obubwi bobo gavana we county ya Meru wetera sensemo elia independent asiri tukolia lero bono anyarakobaga konganya bene na gotebanga niganya kobaga wesonania amone kiama kilia kia UDA waire byo mwancho morigereria nde onsi asogere tokoboko batia emeroberi yetu kurwakete wikira chinga kibune chichinga kibono yaragire Ensa Eyemo ya bono mugoroba ngo kwarigania senchira yobwengi asenchire yobwikira ntonyara ko batogosanga mona inganyare ko bagagwate kachinga kia bariki baitwa mangana bagana tokoba kwandika baikirania chinsemo aikerenga kelia banyara ko bako yasengereria nyara ko batogosanga amonaye asenchira yobwikira na mange to kwarigania tyo mwancho morigereria kolenda litangane pi tikato yanyore asenchira yobwengi.
Elimu ambao wakulima wetu na wachikadau wa mumea watapatiwa.
Igati ya bali mikuru ase county ya Kisii kwenyorera maigerigori echinchira abaranyareko bakoimokie kerengo kerigesa lie chinyeni.
I only want to ask the government of Kenya, and I'm repeating this time and again during retirements of our teachers. Let the government prepare the pensions for the retired teachers in advance.
Serikali kuburiwa kuwarigania chibesa chie pension go chia saboro kia chinga kibarure ya sobokoreri.
We have a lot of confidence with our members of county assembly. We want to ask them to embrace the entry of the governor, and they should work together as a team.
Umugavana we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza konganya go chiase ekiama kia UDA. Ayamana yande amango mwancho morigereria ngo kwarigania senchira yobo ikirato nyarako batugosanga monaye kuri mochakana wikiro muri nyoro boigo naboko yabwate gwetera semitanda yote ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital wetera YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo wetera ase website ya www.ndizitv.net Petra mukira nero kwanekia buna chibicha monelio kichago chira senchira yobo ikirano chinga kilida Mose boigo kunyarako bakwanekia buna go chire wetera se umuno hwimanyirite ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kwalika nyarako batugosanga amonai kuru mochakano goikera omwelio Amayia Eyemo mwancho morigerani gatoko ya chaka kurwa se county ya Kisii ase abalimi bechinyeni anene chirichie kienye chigati yabo linago amone chinsaga banyara ko bakwenyorera amaigerio abene gore chinchira abranyare koba bagosukia na boigo ekoimokia eligesa ya obolemi oruo obobwe chinyeni no muroberio nyara ko bakorekana se omobagani oyomo imeye county ya Kisii uyu nyara ko bokoreta amo ebyombe agati yabo ekyombe kelie kya USAID na kalero ni gobo igo banyara ko bakulie chira gosaba bwate ne banyara ko bakulie chira ngamba chiko bako bwate siabali miabwiri ne banyara ko bakwenyorera echiro igira chiko bage kwene kinganyale ko bage koba abali miabwo engelia isaine buno molikyo itomilere momanyi hagutumanya senchira yoboikirano.
Abaremi bekemeliye chingeni chekenyeji buna chinsaga linagu egati yechinde ime county ya Kisii bono ni gobalene kyo bakogokera maiga yokonyora obosemi abuna barachi commentary gesa na konyora echiro kurwa ase kyombe gya kaliro gose Kenya Agriculture and Livestock Research Organization kubako bwatana nebyombe binde buna USAID University of California Davis Horticulture Innovation Lab egati yebinde ebinge ase bono batabire ni go bategereire egati yemechando elia abalemi bagwetera asobolemyo obwo na igomba chiko banyorera lichibu.
This is a 3.3 years and 5 months project that will be implemented in this county, and majorly this is a research for development project and with the main goal of increasing productivity.
Huu mradi taangalia shida ambazo wakulima wetu wanakumbatana nazo, shida ya mbegu ambaye imethibitishwa na ile ambaye mazao yake iko juu. Hii mradi itaangalia ili wakulima wetu waweze kupata hiyo mbegu, na pia kuna elimu ambao wakulima wetu na wachikadau wa mmea watapatiwa.
Omoteneneri korwa ase sector yobolemi ime county ya Kisii ni gatebire gwetera obosemi obo abalemi banyorire mbachikone kyabuna chingeni ngo cha gusime kwa chire ase obonge.
Kiangalia kwa wakati huu ile ekari ambaye tumepanda mboga ya asilia ni ekari 1800, kulima hasa wale wanaikuza wa kibiashara. Kutokea kwa hii mradi tungependa kuinua ile sehemu ambayo imepandwa ama kupanua sehemu ambayo imepandwa hii mboga ifikie zaidi ya 3000. Tarajio letu ya kwamba hii kilimo itainuka na iendelee kusaidia wakulima wetu.
Nigo baina kyabuna mbache kolentera abalemi chimbego chogo simeka chingia na boigo okobaigeria gotumeka amaliogo atabwatibo bibonde bwensi asemebere ya mwanya banto ase okomenta obasombi bwe chingeni go chiase chinse chaisiko.
Target the global markets from the lesson learned within the project, so also will target the export pillar and of course reduction of imports or pillar as we increase our productivity in the county, which supplies majorly the urban centers. Also in terms of post-harvest loss management, we do lose 40 to 50% of the production. We shall be capacity building the farmers on biopesticides.
Egati yabalemi nigo bagokera omorobereyo asebagania eserikali ye county ya Kisii uchakoba konya elikoene kyabuna obolemi bwe chingeni bwabeire obwengencho enene.
Nyeni echi asira lakini bona kero chiachire chitokonye tochenchi afya ya itebengi ya marwaira achirara amange lakini kero torali chinyeni echi chingiya iko chiragendere gotoruseria marwaira ali togendere komenya buya litangane kero twalire cheisanire tonie chitokonye ase gokonya abana baito basome na asokoria
chinyoni nchibwate faida serikali yetu ya Kisii County wetera aso mugambi yoito ona lepo simbarati oretire project yenene egotokonya nga tosimeke chinyeni toirane mugondo tonyore chibesa tonyoro korikwe kiagere meremo ya keire.
Na ninaomba serikali yetu ya county na national government itusaidie vitu ambaye itasupply hiyo mboga kutoka kwa msituni huku kuja kwa oboroso vegetable.
Ripoti ya Egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ile Italiane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono muliki oito Mildred Momanyi asoroboti urwa senchira yobo ikiranto tegalete ime county ya Kisii anene engana erengete chiseme nigo eskuru yoboroso ya Kenya binge eregati ye chisukuru chie serikali chanyarakoba chigo korabya anene asamate muyekerasi kya gataunda gatatu mwaka onyarete koba gogo etana boigo kweneke bana bana bange banyare koba bakosoka na machibu ama litko lero nigo botenerwe eskuru eyoko bwatira namo nabo bwatani abe chiseme banyarakoba bakora ose kwarigania ritukuria chisemi iria nyarako bari gokorekana se skuru eya sekerenga giokoena nebiegwa anegochia se abana baria banyareze koba bagokora bwiyo murikyo itonde mo Steven na nyarako bagwikirana asomego ya se skuru yoboroso ya Kenya bingara gotwariganiria orobotiro kobatia
Eskuru yoboroso ya Kenya binge ensemo yegesa Kisii ngati ya chiskuru chiarigeti ya machibu ama ya KCPE asa machibu yo mwako eta aseba mente korwe minsko ya max timibere 51 na 5 goika chimi 315 rero nigo batoro muyiga bwoko mubakanya sai asa machibu yugwetere misa leti kora ikiranwa ne body eskuru amwe na ababisa be chisemi.
Want to appreciate this day that we've come here for the purpose of celebrating KCP result and the KIPSEA results of last year 2023 and also to launch the money and the projects that we were given by the Ministry of Education for KPL, and we are appreciating that with the cooperation from both parents and the community, our children are going to benefit from the project.
Ase ritukoria rero twabwa temisa yugo agrenya sana mbia mano asama tokyo twakore 2023 KCP asogeta machibu amarungi tukabreak record ase county ase school chairman ta max ya mangabisa tuata max 48 point ajitwa mentete igore yange nesere tubwate ga school abaibu na bana abaibu ne board twacha goserekea nandi twa wagnya sana mbia mnata kwa nyuma koyo ni myaka ya mutwe egere togendere komenta maxi school etegende kumanyikana na anda abana benda school tijitikana ko na school chinene
goika se yaikire eskuru ya Kenya bingere serikali niwe yaereire buna obwarobo gwetero kubwaterana kwa balimu amuno gosirwa ne serikali
eskuru yetu ra balimu 30 na balimu abeto kolega cyobwamo teamwork ekagera dokumenta max nande se myaka ya maiga eskuru ya renge sake nendu tokateto koromo kabisa na teamwork egere nento jese mabu ya Gusii na Kenya bingene ne rororo igoso kubata na balimu na baiboli ekiagerete eskuru ya mentira max ya mangega
abalimu baito togendere kubwaterana muna twakabwateranire na baiboli boigo na abana bono bamentire babeira abange mechando ntoranza konyerora ikiagera abana baito na bayabale discipline nero na abalimu na abomoki igo we are on track etogosabana togenderere igo
nonye aboroki wabakogenda aseruse omotimo ko motambe abaiboli nigo babori ko balenda abana babo mbatire goya mono bebe chisemi
eruse entambe togochikoenda yechi wikinya twasemiri abana baito twabaire gasi bagochikokoranka ande togosaba abaiboli banyare gotokonya na abana abamba arunka bakonya gwete binyoro ikiagera Ensa yabono teli nsendonge there are a lot of drugs, kidnapping, abana baiseke are not safe, abana bamura are not safe, so toko baboli na abana babanyale ko babako babekanka babaega sinke igo muna baiboli kibainyorete nanto baete gasimuna balimu yabagendrete konya kokoranka na kosoma elinde kato koigora onyora abana bambaleba na barabu na banafunzi
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwenseme ya Kenya binge kutoka se ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Mbiemano muliki oitonde Mo Steven asorobotirwa senchira yobo ikerano to tigarete a se sekte yechi semini gobona baiboli banyare ko babako borigwa babe maiso na kweneke bana nyali ko babako ena no bulendi boisane guchia se abana babo anene chinga kichi skuru janyare ko bachigosie kwa somutimo ko omotambe chingaki echi bago kwana nigo ababwatani be sekta yechi semi kora sorogongorwa gusibo igo banyare ko bako bolie serikali nyare ko bage ko bwato kachibe sachiria chira chikoba chikwene kia unemerobere ya botambe gochiase chiskuru yanyare ko bage goikira na chinga kiboigo banyare ko bagoteba nige kerengo ekyogie chibesa kigendete ko bage ko bwatu ko kerege kekigima aseba buri serikali enyare ko bage komenta bago kwana manegeta seni Ndizi TV nigo bwatani abo igo banyare ko bako buri serikali enyare ko bage kuariga ni mapema enibo elia ye pension gochiase aboro kiabo banyare ko bakogenda somotimoko bwemeremo bunagotomanya umurikyo ito Frida Kerubo.
So wherever you come, I wish you well to continue from where I'm leaving this honor. Very, very happy and satisfied. I'm not complaining and nobody's complaining.
Aya naro aenikigwa asomo yegabo kumwarigania kogenda nka morokyo manene bweskuru ya mariba DOK Christopher Mausa magigayo bokoreri bwaye ase myaka 35 nebere okwana chinga kyekyo nigo bagokera obokoreri bwaye na kumuganiria Amayia chinga kyarabenka asikolende babolia oliorabe kwireri bagaliaye okora emirime meikirano ubuna Mausa.
Mwalimu Mausa ambaye amemaliza kazi kwa umri wa kustaafu 60 years. It is not easy to retire.
Igo na bana abagokire kweli agekogara mwalimu wabo o retire o chire, and we are praying that they get a very good principal like Mr. Mausa, who is going to take them through like what Mr. Mose has been doing.
Kolende chinga kiechi aborokigwa abairanirenka asomotimoko nigo abaiboli baboligwa kobalenda na kobaigelia chimbwa chingia na kobasira asekelia baraganie boigo abagambi amona batuleti nigo baboligwa koba maiso elio koyeneke buna abana babo mbali gotoka asobosalia
nigo abaiboli baboliwe baika banange babaye semi babaye guidance endelio banyare koba bana baronge batumie likize yege rusebia asengenje nande yo kuyegendereria kimasomo babasbi aba chief n'abatureti nabo babodiwe batware liso dioge kurigeri ngiya bana bagenderera bayiboli banyare kurwa ibintu byonse biganirie basapoti abana biya
serikali nigo yaboligwa korobelia chibesa cha pension kendabu magega ya boro kyako genda asomotimoko.
I only want to ask the government of Kenya, and I'm repeating this time and again during retirement of our teachers. Let the government prepare the pensions for the retired teachers in advance. Let them not wait for more than 2 years, 3 years before they get that pension. That is being unfair because they were aware that Mr. Mose, a year ago, they gave him the notice of retirement. So they could have started preparing his retirement, and as he's exiting today, he should be going home with that package of the pension.
Asensemende, nige serikali yaboligwa kubwatuka chibesa gocha ase chiskuru, linda kwaenekia obokoreri obuyam.
In fact, we are very grateful in our Kisii County. Things are going on very well, but I want to watch our government, whereby we have been having a problem of capitation. Now that we have heard that some money is being dispersed, we are very grateful, and we want to watch the government to see to it that they dispatch the money in time, so that the teachers are able to pay all the programs of the school in time.
Nonya nabo nigo abana ba Mausa bagokera obokoreri bwise na kumuganiria Amayia chingaki arabe asomotimoko.
Okay, sana nabe to wakambi yana bo bwatera na barakuene kina kirege kuteli koriare kanyare bakore kana soboyera wego nigo na muganiria Amayia nyari nisanya komisioni nyari ko barakuendera komena bya ono binachire kabuna bago kubwatera na mama bantu bakore ngo choba nyari ko bago kuturuna wego ko amangana Amayia chemani bujole amangana Amayia karabeka gasaku fore kisango amangana Amayia abirita ya medi
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Biamono humuliki oito Frida Keruba soroboti rwa senchira yobo ikeranu toguska mutwe nigo mubunge wa constituency ya Kitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi tukolia lero nyarakobaga kora omoroberi boko bwatoka chibasarigo chia ase aborokiwa abanyarakoba bakwelikia se omoroberi ye bunge eyo ya Kitutu chache South nigo yanyarakobaga kwenyorera chishilingi chimilioni 50 nemo buna enchira Eyemo yokweneke chibese chanyarekoba chigo konya aborokiwa abanyarakoba bakwelikia se omoroberi yomoroberi nigo nyarakoba gukora gwabene na omochumbe oyasa nyarakoba gako bwatoka chibasari chigo cha saborokiwa buna enchira Eyemo yogo koro botutu kana bogo sieka emegwa ende yonsi yobukurumihira nyarakoba gekweneke gwase omoroberi yo buna gutumanya omorikyo ito Dipon Hasanya
Francis Aondo Omae biamono sana asante na gabe
Asetaro yomujumbe okitutu chache South mheshimiwa Anton Kibagendi nigo lero anyara gusyoria omurobelio bwokwerera jibasari gocha saborokiwa amona baiboli
rere twachake process yo kuruchi basari ase abana inchi baito e basari style tokorwa bogitutu chache South etokwa every individual echeki yaye eyo tokokora igerinde to reduce oboibi to reduce egento gekoro ku errors chirichigo chachiaba pengine se school osase committee ekerekolika chicheki kwanyora chinza chinde barikira abande batayo oseriego ike school kwanyora umwalimu gose baza terikolikera abande bari bare ase list ige round yeye elinde topunguze eliogi etwachagete kurukero monto bayewe cheki yae
gotarera ebituo aho gati yabonye bururu raganga na Mosocho St Patrick's nigo anyara kwenekia obwasioku bwo kwenyorera chibasari goika ebinyoro ime
tuatemere goika abantange kabisa elinde abantu banyare konyora chicheki cyabo in good time buna abana bakoigora second term abana bagende ne chicheki school na bali bali chi university ne college chicheki cyabo bono twarosiri na bakonyara gochinyora elinde bachaka matemu next week tokwera ne ria bana inchi mbiyamo na sengencho na baropare korra maskani bachire biya elinde toche ko gokore exercise yakama
unenchera ya moyogo sira chisemi imeye binyoro ni gabe kemirobeli emiya uchiasa barokiwa bonsi beligeta somurobeli yo korwa se secondary goikachi university konyora chivesa wanchereria gota yo anene mono asokonyora abana chintakana
allocation ebuna tu akora abana chintakana etu abakanera full scholarship chintakana etu abakanera chivesa chonsi and then bali chi day school chira around this area etu abasiringi chiri busatu asengencho mwako mugima school fees igere around 11,000 gotu aruchiri busatu umugavana nere turuo mu MCA na acharwe chinde nke and then bono muiboli ari nke bali boarding school mtu abaruerete basari ya 5,000 shillings arafu chinde na ende mbanyore kurwa somo MCA arafu chindo muiboli aru ne chinde chigo to mune serikali bali chi tertiary colleges ne chi university bonsi etu ababegetamo etokuru chi basari ya 7,000 shillings asa abana bakorete secondary bali chi college
chinga kecho boigo ni gaborire abana gokoromukia ase chiskuru na boigo kuboli abaiboli koba maiso asabana babo
abana babachire rusa egento tokubasaba abana batwara maskani abana besike enda abana bamanye na masomo tali ekere bali school byo abana banyare kogendera gusoma nonye barenga egento kia muhimu gaki mubasa gweso ya samarwa mubasa gweso kwa madawa ya kulevya na pia tujaribu tuwache maneno ya hii maneno ya watoto kupata mimba kabla wamalize shule. Kwa hivyo nawaomba tafadhali mwesike elindo mwana ira ne school second term kale burungi abana ambao wasiende kwa madawa ya kulevya, mambo ya kukunywa pombe na hii mambo ambayo inaweza leta early pregnancy.
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kia onambeya mokia Ndizi TV kurwa sebunge ya Kitutu chache South yutoke meya county ya Kisii elitaria Dipon Asanya
Biamono moliki oito Dipon Asanya soroboti rwa senchire yobo ikiranu bo igoto tigareta se sekteri echisemi chingaki chiskuru au chigendete amono murubiri obugosieka anene ase etamu entangana asomotimo komotambe naboigo kwarigania emeyega yoko wakera gosemeyegana amatuko echisemi nige skuru area ya nigo eskuru area ya Kari DB yegotoka se constituency ya Nyaribari chache boigo litkuria leta nyarako bagegotigwa maiga ase ababwatani abechisemi bakorabwa muno mwarimu monene bwe skuru eyo Abed anyarako bagakora omuyega oyo nabo igokogokera machibu Amayia nyarako bagakoene kiwase amatemo manene y'umwaka olyo nyarako bagogweta none nabo nigo abange babwatene banyarako bagwikira na sensemi banyarako bagucengera kogokera amachibu ayo Amayia se bateba niganyareta ko bagakobwatokwa kubwatikana no kubwatera no gwikira no hagati ya borokiwa amuna babwatani abechisemi bunagotomanya umuriki ito Mildred Momanyi
Chinga kibono chiskuru chia sekre asomo timoko bwerusa yo mutinyo yiga bono ni go chiskuru chigendete gokora umuyigabo gwakera aboroki wabali bakora bya asamatema amane yo mwaka oeta asokuba ebyegwa bunenchere ya moyo kubamenta omukya asamasomabo nase skuru yo boroso ya Kari primary yere ya serikali asebono omuyigo yo okolekana gokoragwa no mwalimu omonebwe skuru yo Abed Maseno asogochengera amachibu amayeyo mwaka oeta asebabwate emini ya 316 nonyana bonigo akira bali bonsi babwate siringambya.
We are here today to celebrate a good result of last year that we managed to record. We had a mean of 316 despite the fact that we had the highest number in the sub-county, that is 265 candidates. I really want to thank those people who worked behind us, the board that supported us, the parents who were very positive, the parents who provided whatever was required of them. I really want to thank the parents who have sponsored and supported us in this program that we are having today. As we celebrate, we also want to appreciate our leadership. We want to appreciate our Member of Parliament, Honorable Zaid Janda, who has given us 2 classrooms.
Ni gobono batebire egati yemechando elibabwate ase batebire okugani kwabo nonyanabo ni goba mwakera omobunge bwenseme Yozahil Janda ngambuya asokobasira asensemo ya magacho.
And we want to say that as much as we have gotten the 2, we won't mind if we got more because our population is big. And today, part of the agenda that we were having in this function is to talk about a school bus. We feel like it's come to a time when we need a school bus because our population has grown big and we need to have learners. Because we are attracting learners from as far as Nyabisabo and very far places, Kiogoro, Kemera and such like. So that's what we want to pray for, that we could get any benefactors who could come in and support us.
The challenge namagania mange batine linga tara nyoro bokonyi kurwase ne bana serikali netagete obokonyo banana so igoto sabanga ase skuru enega neti ebiras tebwatie basi sengenja bana bara bange ona karaba kuro skuru bagotuere bago strain abange bakorwale abane korwale kumbu birongo kemera so mbaga neti obokonyo bro banana anene bale kanyore bas abeko bakonya sengenjo gotura belia se bale safe baikera chinga chiabo bia
omoroberio OCBC nigo ororekanire gokoria buya korengano moteneri bwe skuru eyo ase asaba aboroki gwago chakoyo bwatera koboko enga kibale ase rusana kugania aboroki gwabo kwebwata buya.
CBC is a good program, but we are yet facing a few challenges, but we are trying. Like our school, we really came together and we said these are our children. So despite the fact that we have so many learners, we came in to support the learners and we are teaching the learners, and I can confirm that actually we are now teaching the learners. We are trying our best. As students go for holidays, please let them remember that it's only a small stint of a few days at home, but they'll need life when they'll come back. So we ask them to behave well, and as they go home, they handle themselves carefully, so because life is still on. It's not the end of life.
Kuripotelia igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, iletaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono muliki oito Mildred Momanyi no roboti oruwa Mildred Momanyi mwancho moligerelia haru to goto ikia omweli obwa Amayia Ensa Eyemo ya bona botuko lunyara kwa kwene kiabuna gojere gwetera somuno bemanyere ya kurukwa Lydia Mose na bigo Petra mukiro nyara kwa kwene kiabuna chibicha monelio kichago chera senchira yobo ikero leterane kurukwa Josephat Amisi nakoganirie oboligerelia obya bwe morobelia kubwate nyura ngomera na tore amona ichi sasa tuchabona botuka soko manyaya amona yanda mankitoka ndako boto kwariganire kurwa semesa yete Amayia.
Obwenso bumugusi nigo bono ya ni kirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi Neji County chito etanaine una e county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao